Good morning. Today is Sunday, 19th of July, and Bengal Tiger Reds is on a breakfast ride to Henry Island. And this is a place where you have halted for some time. I'll just show you around. It's a beautiful place, as you can see. So as you already know him, he is Gautam Soni. He
I enjoyed that ride very much.
Ride is yet to happen. We are not yet there at Henry Island. That is a much more beautiful destination. And riding the lovely Interceptor, ravishing red.
Hello guys, Akash here.
Here is the super talented Akash. He is a bassist, and some other day we'll visit to his bass. Akash, how was the day?
It's really enjoying. I took a little more responsibility for the group.
Yeah. He has been assigned as a marshal. Yeah.
Nice experience. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Let's moving on. This is my bike. This is my Yeti. And if you are wondering who I am, this is me. I'm Shayon. And here comes Dano.
Yes.
Riding the only Conti GT of our group, and it's beautiful. It is a custom cafe racer seat which is sold as an accessory by Royal Enfield. It's a nice little thing, yeah. So how was the day?
Day was nice, lovely. It is a beautiful moment to enjoy this COVID time. Nice. Thanks, Sayanda only for arranging all these things. We love Sayanda.
But maintain safe distance and safety is a priority. You have already seen him in our last video, Arindam Da. So Arindam Da, how was the experience?
Experience was fantastic. Sunny day, a fantastic ride under the full all safeties maintained by BTH Sayan Shorkar.
And we're standing at a beautiful place too, isn't it?
Fantastic. It is a fantastic place. Full windy.
And
I am riding Electra.
yeah,
Named Stallion.
named Stallion. It's a 2013 model.
2010 model.
2010 model, right?
10
It is like most probably the first lot of the
First
Electra.
lot. First 7 vehicle in the Calcutta.
Okay. The first lot of the UC engines. Yeah. And you need to realize how smooth it is to buy only if you can take a test ride of it. It's a very smooth bike, unlike other Royal Enfield Electra and Classics which are being sold today. It's a very smooth battery engine. So how was the day?
Fantastic. Thanks to BTH. I love it.
You are also a member of BTH.
Yes.
So you we are BTH. Thank yourself also. You are BTH too. So he is riding a Classic. This is also an old Classic, probably from 2011. Here comes our Marshal Shomik. Let me give you a view of his flags and his bike. He has named his bike as Hima. And today is the first time he is trying out his new set of riding gears, riding jacket and pants. What is this? What are these jackets called?
This is Stealth Evo.
Stealth Evo.
Rhinox Stealth Evo.
Rhinox Stealth Evo.
Awesome.
And the pants are Stealth Evo too.
Yeah.
Nice looking jackets, and it's comfortable too, right?
Yeah. Very much.
Lots of vents are there, as you can see in the hands.
One here, and one on the back also.
So on a hot summer day, it will give you a lot of ventilation, right?
Yeah.
So moving on to the next bike, BTH rider, the Himalayan. Avik is not here, so let's move on. Orko, how was the day?
Very well.
Very well. You are enjoying the ride? How was the day?
Good. It's my first time will be in Henry's Island, riding Classic 350. Customized in every part for touring. And gears.
Oh, actually this is Dipendu's bike.
Sandoz made a touring one.
Smart piece of touch here.
Customized in every part.
Lovely.
Thank you. See ya.
Moving on. Actually, I'm like vlogging from the opposite direction of the sunlight. I'm not getting enough light, so sorry for that. And this is Sanju Baba. This is Sanju Baba. Thank you, Sanju Baba, for arranging such a nice breakfast for the whole team. The petai parota which we had, it's sort of paratha made by hand, was really awesome, fantastic. And Sanju is riding a old school classic, no sorry, not classic, standard 350. This is a BS4 model, right? Moving on. Riding the classic, old school classic. He dumped his Domina for today's ride.
Yeah.
So Boruda,
Fortunate enough, it was fortunate enough.
fortunate or unfortunate, that is like it to be.
No, it was fortunate. It was fortunate to be with you all. And I liked it and I'm enjoying the trip. This is my second trip and the first trip in this Bengal Tigers. And I loved everyone. These are all my small brothers. And this is my sweet wife.
I'm also enjoying a lot with Bengal Tigers.
Thank you so much,
You
Didi.
are so good guys.
Thank you so much, Didi. I hope the ride was fine. You enjoyed, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
This is my first ride here, and the group is awesome.
Just awesome.
Thank you. You are also a part of the group, so that makes you awesome too. Awesome. Hi, Anik Paul. Hi. Brother from different mother, Anik Paul. He rides a full badass Interceptor 650. It would take a whole day for me to explain and to like point out what modifications he has done. He has totally custom modded his bike for touring purpose, and it sounds awesome too. I'll just let you a glance of the exhaust note. It's a mono-wing pair of exhausts. Give it some beans. Holy moly. Thank you, Anik. Thank you. Here comes Bobida and Munmundi, better half of Bobida, riding the Himalayan Tiger.
Tiger.
Yeah, he named his Himalayan as the Tiger. How was the trip, Bobida? Enjoying?
Oh, Patavati.
Fatafati, na?
Patavati.
And here comes
Chakravarti.
Priyam Chakraborty. And literally it's a cast iron. He's riding a cast iron which he has resurrected from a dilapidated state. He has put in a lot of effort, energy and money to keep it running, and it's running like a charm. He's like 20 years of age.
I'm 24 years old.
He's 24 years of age, and
old.
he's very much passionate about old bullets. And moving on, this is Shanko. Shanko, let me take you from here because I'm in the opposite direction of the sunlight. Okay, that is fine. Shanko is our tail, and Shanko is doing a fantastic job, I must say. And riding the classic Gunmetal 350, which will be upgraded to a Himalayan very soon. But it's also a beautiful bike. So till then, so the band of brothers are here, and we'll now proceed to our destination, the Hillcrest Island. It has become very cloudy all of a sudden, and we might expect some rain on our way.
I want to say one thing. These two parts are the main of our Bengal Tiger heads, the lead and the tail. Now these are the two parts. We follow them.
Actually, everyone has to like.
This is the team of their own.
Has to be. Everyone has to be a sync. If like one goes in sync, the whole team is like scattered. So every rider in today's ride have like ridden exceptionally.